Hello, welcome back to math. We're going to do some more work with area models. You need your workbook today. We're working on page 135. And all you're going to need is your pencil and your workbook today. So let's get started. Directions say we're just going to find the product. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem of each of these pairs. Make a labeled sketch or use numbers. Make sure it's all your work. So we are going to use a area model since that's what we practiced yesterday. Make sure we still have a good hold on that. Pause here and solve this first one. All right, so we've got 30 and 5, 30 and 5, 20 and 3, 20 and 3. So make it easy on yourself. 3 times 2 is 6. 1, 2, 1, 2. 5 times 20, make it easy. 5 times 2 is 10. Put that one back. Again, making sure that we have 2 zeros in the answer because this was from 5 times 2. And then putting the 1 back. 3 times 30, make it easy. 3 times 3 is 9. Put the 0 back. 5 times 3 is 15. Putting it all back together. 600, 100, 90, 15. 5, 10, 6, 7, 8. Our answer is 805. How we doing? All right, try A, but might need to write a little bit smaller. Doesn't look like we have quite as much space on these ones. Pause and solve A. All right. I'm gonna have to do a more controlled box here. So we've got 40 and 3, 40 and 3, 20 and 7, 20 and 7. So 20 times 40. 4 times 2 is 8. 1, 2. 3 times 20. 3 times 2 is 6. Put 1 back. 7 times 40. 7 times 4. So doubled. So 7 doubled is 14. 14 doubled is 28. Put the 0 back. 3 times 7, everyone's favorite answer. But now we need to put them back. So put them back together anyways. 60, 280, 21, 0, 0, 0. So 1, 8, 9, 10 plus 6 is 16. 8, 9, 10, 11. So I don't have enough room. I'm just going to circle it here. 1,161. All right, pause and solve this one. So 30 and 8, 30 and 8, 20 and 8, 20 and 8. So 30 times 20, 3 times 2 is 6. Put the 2 zeros. 8 times 20. 8 times 2, 8 doubled is 16. Put the 0 back. 8 times 30, so 8 times 3. Well, I know 8 times 2 is 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Sorry, my dog started barking, so let's walk through that one again. 8 times 3 is 24. You hit a 0, you put it back. Now you've got 8 times 8. Give myself a little bit of room here so you can see what I'm going to do. There we go. So you have 8 times 5, which is 40. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need 3 more groups of 8. And I know that is 24 because I already solved it. 4, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 64. Using what you know, to solve what you don't know. All right, we chopped it apart. Let's put it back together. 600, 160, 240, 64, 4. 6 and 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,064. Alright, and scooch it down. Ooh. Alright, C. It's kind of getting hidden in here, but 36 times 18. Pause and solve. Upside of being on the bottom, you have way more room. Although you still can't see what I'm doing. Here we go. So 30 and 6, 30 and 6, 10 and 8, 10 and 8. Alright, so let's make it easy on ourselves. 3 times 1 is 3, 2 zeros. 6 times 10 is 60, right? 6 times 1 is 6, put the 0 back. 8 times 30, ooh, we did this one earlier. 8 times 3 is 24, put the 0 back. And then 6 times 8. So 8 times 5 is 40. I need one more group of 8, which is 48. Right, so one more group of 8, and then I added those together to get 48. So 360, 240, 48. Again, making sure your numbers are lined up, especially when you have different lengths of numbers. So here we have 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that's 14, 3, 4, 5, 6, 648. Are you feeling a lot faster at this? All right. D, 46 times 36. Pause and solve. So 40 and 6, 40 and 6, 30 and 6, 30 and 6. Okay, so make it easy on ourselves. We have 3 times 4 for 12. 2 zeros back. 6 times 3, 6 times 2 is 12, plus 6 more gives me 18. Put the 0 back. 6 times 40, make it easy. 6 times 4, 6 doubled is 12. 12 doubled is 24. Whoops! 24. Put the 0 back. 6 times 6. So 6 times 5 is 30. I need one more group of 6. So 36. Now I need to put them back together. I'm kind of running out of room. I better go up here. 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 8, 0, 2, 4, 0, 36. I feel like we've written 240 a lot. Almost all the problems on this page have had them. Alright, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2, 4, 6, and 1. Ooh, make sure I circle just the numbers that I need. 1,656. Alright, let's turn the page over and keep going. Well, I guess not turn the page over, turn the book over. Because here is where we're at. So, now we have some story problems. We gotta figure out the problem that it's giving us. It's not just gonna give us the easy way out. So, solve the story problems, make your sketch, show your work. John works at T-Shirts R Us. Yesterday, he unpacked 36 boxes of new T-shirts. Each box had 24 shirts in it. How many shirts did he unpack? So, 36 boxes. And each box had 24 shirts. So what this is saying is you have 36 groups of 24 shirts. So this is 36 times 24. Pause and solve this one. Okay, so 30 and 6, 30 and 6, 20 and 4, 20 and 4. So make it easy on ourselves. We have 3 times 2 for 6, 2 zeros. 6 times 20, so 6 times 2 is 12. Put a 0 back. 4 times 30, 4 times 3 is 12. Put a 0 back. 6 times 4, 6 doubled is 12. 12 doubled is 24. Put them all back together. 600, 120, 120, 24. Uh-oh, I better write skinny. 4, 2, 4, 6, 6, 7, 8. They had to unpack 864 shirts. Holy moly, that's a lot of shirts, guys. Remember, with story problems, we gotta put clothes on it. So you can always figure out what it is by looking up here at the question. How many shirts did he unpack? 864 shirts. All right, I'm not gonna help you with this B. So I want you to read it and figure out what you think the problem is, then push play, make sure that we have the same problem, and then we'll pause to solve. So first I want you just to pause and come up with the equation, the number sentence for this problem. So John made 27 stacks of long-sleeved t-shirts. So he's got 27 stacks. He put 18 shirts in each stack. 18 shirts in each stack. How many shirts did he stack in all? So you have 27 groups of 18. So 27 times 18. Now pause and solve. $20 and 7, 20 and 7, 10 and 8, 10 and 8. So 10 times 20, make it easy. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 zeros back. 7 times 10 is 70. 8 times 20, so 8 times 2. 8 doubled is 16. Put the 0 back. Ooh, 8 times 7. Okay. I can do double, double, double with the 7. Or I think I'm just going to go 8 times 5 for 40. And 8 times 2, 5, 6, 7. Right? That makes my 7 groups right there. Is 16. So 56. Because I would add those together. So I'm going to go over that again because I don't know if you heard it through the dogs. So 8 times 5 for 40. 8 times 2 is 16. If I look here, right, that's 5 groups and 2 groups for my 7 groups right here. And then since I add that part together, I'm going to add this together to my answer of 56. Now let's put it all together. 200, 160, 70, 56. Oh man, once again, I got to write really tiny. Okay, 6. So what do we have here? This is 11. That makes 18. Carry the 1, 2, 3, 4. 486 shirts. Alright, the last one is challenge. If you want to give it a shot, fantastic, but I'm not going to walk you through it. This is actually a 2-step problem, so make sure you slow down and really look at it if you're going to solve it. It is a 2-step problem. Good work today. We've done a lot of work. You started with your area model skill check. We did some reviewing with your area model, and now you are going to work on page 137. It's called Reasonable Estimates and Partial Products. I want to show you your workbook page for today and just kind of give you some guidance on where we're going with math. So this is your workbook page today. It's called Reasonable Estimates and Partial Products. The first part, it wants you to pick an estimate that seems about right. 23 times 21. Do you think it's going to end up over here at 6,000? Which one of these do you think is reasonable? You're going to do that for all 3 of these. Then you're going to go down to this bottom part where you're actually solving them. This is a kind of a clue of where we're going to start going tomorrow. So if this is confusing to you, please don't worry about it. Just solve it using your area model. If you want to give this a try, if it sort of makes sense to you, then fantastic. All it's doing is taking your area model and putting it into equations and adding them up that way instead of having the actual model out there. But I want to make sure that you don't lose any of the parts. Notice that there are 4 lines. So if you try to do it this way, you should have 4 lines as well. The other thing I might suggest is doing both. Have your area model, and then you can take what you've done here and put it into those steps if you want. But this is going to be where we're at this point. This is where we're going to go tomorrow. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Good job today. Bye, guys.